What is up, guys? We're back with another one today. Let's let me mention to you, if I sound a little tired, just woke up from a nap. Just woke up from the old Sunday nap. Ooh. Just yawn and remember of it. I'm so tired. Little chicken Alfredo, little cheesecake. Looks like we're back at it. If you guys remember from last episode, not a good one. It was okay, not a good one. It was rough. It was really rough, I'm not gonna lie. And I mean, you know that we gotta go back to get some more. What are we missing, guys? Get some honey slime. You guys know about the Great Devastation app. Right, guys? And they're hungry. You guys know about the Great Devastation, right? I'm still so poor, guys. Oh, I'm so poor. Where'd they go? Where do they go? That's something I don't understand about the fire ones. Where'd they go? Because I had some. Oh my goodness, I fat fingered again. Wait, do I have to buy that for them to live here? Let's just experiment, guys. Oh, I probably had to buy that for them to live. What slimes am I missing? Honey. I want honey. I'll take some more crystal too. That's really annoying, actually. And some fire. So we'll go to the fireplace first. See what kind of tomfoolery we can get ourselves in. Kind of forgot where we left off last time. Just kind of remember playing and then not playing anymore. And it was weird. Guys, sorry about not being able to leave a comment. That's on me. I mean, this is actually gonna make me mad. Who's got the airnet? Oh, what's that guy over there? I'm a couple chicken. They're so hungry. Meat and veggie. No fruit. Yeah, guys, today it might be a short one, might be a long one. Don't know yet. Really tired, so I might go back to bed. Gonna lie. I'm gonna leave some Q-berries in here for these guys. Do they have an internet? Okay, they've got the internet, because that guy gets rowdy. Look at him! Go back to the fireplace. Pick up some plorts on the way. Some carrots, maybe. Hashtag hate pink slime. Hashtag hate pink slime. Put it in the comments. Hashtag hate the pinks. I probably shouldn't say that. That probably means something bad, but I don't like pink slimes. You guys want to post that on Instagram? And, or maybe kids call it the gram nowadays. B-words love the gram. Oh wait, I love that song. Travis Scott sings that one. Oh, wrong way. Everybody's having a good day today. Having a good one, just sleepy. Just trying to be mosey today. That was a good nap. I was watching some Bowsen. You guys probably don't know who that is. The Bows. He'll put you to sleep. He's pretty good. If you guys just want to get controversial for just a second, since we're on the topic of being controversial. Hashtag pink hate slime. Sorry, I just kind of lost what I was thinking, but always remember 8 pinks. I hate the pinks! Pink slimes, that is. I hate pink slimes. Oh, controversial topic. Rust. I was trying to get back into that game. Let me guys know in the comments if you guys wanted me to see. If you guys want me to play Rust solo bolo, because I'll do it. If you guys want me to do it, I'll go solo bolo. Because I like Rust, but man, this new update they got me on. They got me on some crazy stuff. I don't really mess with it, honestly, because like, I mean, the blueprint fragments is so stupid. I tried to play with my buddy, Ed, and it was miserable. You can't find the blue fragments, and it's like, why even play? You know? That was a snipe, boys. That was a snipe. Type in the chat. That was swagger. Yeah, I mean, you can't even play the game like it's intended to do. Oh! That really hurt. But I got him, no way. The sniper! So tired, guys. It's miserable playing. I mean, it is so miserable playing. Because it's like you get on, you want to play, and it's like I'm playing with my buddy. I mean, you know, my bad. I chose a 500 pop server, but we got no blueprint fragments, and it's like, oh, how do you get them? It's like you have to go to green card station, and it's like my buddy Ed sent me this post, and it's like he says, yeah. This claim posted, and they're like, we're so happy you added this Rust because now we can sit here and now my team can get advanced and we just kill everybody in the area and they can't do anything. We just get rid of everybody in the area and they can't do anything. Thank you, Rust, because now they're all prim locked, but we're having fun, you know? And it's like, that's miserable. Because I am prim locked, and I'm not having fun. Because and then I was playing on. I guess it's because this is my fault for picking such a high pop server. I learned my lesson. But I try to go. You know, I try to go and put up. I got my base put down. I don't know how we got our base put down, but we got our base put down, right? And it's like, that's good, you know, you got the base out. But it's like, I couldn't even recycle, man. There was a guy camping there waiting for blueprint fragments, and there was like a group of like 2 of them, because you'd make a play on one and there'd be another one. I mean, guys, what kind of tomfoolery is that? My name's not Tom, and I don't fall for foolery, but I don't like that. The game, I finally decided to get back into it. It's so miserable. Then I hear them announcing, oh, we're gonna make Rust mobile. Yeah, that's miserable. Can't wait to play while I'm at work on the toilet because I'm getting raided. On the John, I'm gonna work and just stop counter the raid. I don't know. Let's stop talking liberal rust. Keep talking about Slime Rancher. Gotta lock in. Gotta kind of figure out what's going on in this game, because I've like kind of explored a little bit, but I don't know how to beat the game. And it's like, I'm so broke right now. It's like, I really just need to like lock in and make some moolah, because 650 money is no money, and I've got all my pins full. So I need to like make a new area, but it's so hard to make an area because it's like you have to travel over to the new area, and it just takes a lot out of me to travel over there. Look at that guy. What's he running for? I make that. I made it, yeah. Go back down there in just a second. I kind of want to get some Janidiodes or pomegranates. Sorry, I'm really tired. What's up? Oh, there it is. It's that guy. Whatever. Not my problem at the moment. New area unlocked. So I want to get some bat plorts in the little bat plort action up in here, little bat action up in here, but I can't at the moment. What's more important, guys, the money or the pomegranate fruit? We got a Q berry. Bad at all. I think it's a crystal slime, but I don't think there's any left. It would seem like there is literally none left, so we're gonna come back later. Hope that problem deals with itself. It's a problem for later me. This game is gorgeous. Just a gorgeous game. When there's not pink in it. Covering my eye. Look at that. Look how infectious they are. Leave. All pink does is make those monsters. Those oob monsters. Oob monsters! Sorry if that's controversial. Liberals, leave. I don't like the pink slimes. They're rude. They eat everything, fatzos. First of all, not fat shaming. But how is anything else supposed to eat if it's eating everything? How is anything else supposed to eat if they're eating everything? We eat everything. Why are we hyped about that? What's so cool about that, fatso? Huh? Yeah. Just like me, eating everything. Hashtag pink slime hate in the comments. Pollen? What? Love slimes. Oh man, I get it. And they got me. It is pollen. I hope I don't sneeze. I hope this message that I got has 10 bands in it. Because if it doesn't have 10 bands in it, it ain't worth my time. But we'll check it. We'll check it. Thanks, man. Because I think I needed to add this so the slimes could eat. I think I just built it last time and they couldn't eat and then they would just run away. You think 3's plenty? I think 4 might be a little overpopulation. Oh, they love this stuff. They're giving me extra plorts and everything. I can stand in this stuff too. Man, aren't these guys just so sick? They're like little egg yolks that are on fire. Fire! That's sick, guys. 5 big booms for that. Boom, 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 boom. Guys, trees do not grow that fast in real life. Fun fact. Gotta get another rock slime. Money up. Money up. How's the chickens? Chicken's up. Got something in my eye. Almost have enough to buy the new place. We just need to go grab some more crystal slime, which I didn't get. Thankfully, like, that's awesome. I'll grab some honey slime so these guys can eat some food. Yeah, I think you're supposed to get rid of your elder roosters. Watch out, dude. That guy's going boom. What a nice day to play after a big nap. The only thing I didn't have today that I wish I would have had before the nap is a nice big bowl of ice cream. My favorite sweet treat to have on a nice Sunday. My favorite treat to have whenever. I love ice cream. Just put that out there. If we got any ice cream lovers in the chat, can I get a hashtag hate pink slimes? That'd be awesome. I mean, in the first game, you know, when I was younger, more, I don't know, nicer to people, I didn't mind the pink slime action. Nowadays, better not see in my face. And you guys might be wondering why. You guys didn't hear in the last video. This is your first time tuning in. They eat everything. They're everywhere. They're in every biome. I don't like you enough for you to be in every biome. Do something cool like water slime or fire slime. Yeah, sure. You can show up whenever you want. I mean, every biome, I don't care. But it's not even a seabird either that we had last episode. If you guys tuned in last episode, the seabird. I like seabirds. New little bird. I like them. Pink slime, I don't like them. If we could just... Slime Rancher, if you want to take some advice from one of your best, most practiced, I enjoy this game so much, players, that's me by the way, I'll give you some advice, guys, because you need it. Let's just put this out there. Less pink slimes. Less pink slimes. None of you guys, it's like your brand, you like the pink slime. Let's put less of them. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. Look, I walk over the horizon. There are more and more and more and more. Get out of my face, man. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Get out of here. I need to get there, but I need a jetpack, I believe. I need a jetpack, I believe, but I don't have the money. No money. Where does the rock one go? Does the rock go on this side? I think so. I don't mind the bunny slime, they're okay. But I need a honey, because this side right here is a honey. So they're opening. It's for a shortcut. Okay, you need a pink right there. Or a honey right there. We'll grab one if we see one. Be honest. Looking for a minty mango. Watch out! Tell me what's over there, pink slime. Okay. He made it. He made it. Yeah, he's good. Yeah, he's good. Don't clip that. Something bad's about to happen here. And I ain't about to be here for it. Whoa! And there's only one. Whatever. Can I go this way? I don't think so. Oh, there's water right there. Looks like I can. It'll sneak by. See, you guys are just enjoying their days. That guy looks mean. Watch out, man. Could hit somebody. So I feel like I'm lost. Just taking the mud of those children. Is that a cat slime I need? Oh, it's a hunter. It literally said, like, I'm so stupid. It says it. I want to go over there? Not yet. I kind of want to go this way, see what it's about. Is there a way to get this way? See, if I had a jetpack, I'd just go that way. See, a jetpack is so needed, but it's like a bunch of stuff I can do. If I had a hunter point, I could just open that up, but I don't have a hunter plort on me, so... Wait! Crap, I gotta go back. If you guys want to comment what your favorite slime is, go ahead. If I see any pink slimers, I'll make sure you never see the light of day of this channel again. Of this channel. Yeah, if you guys want to watch me do some like Rust gaming, I mean, I play League of Legends. If you really want to see, my friends say I'm not very good. I mean, they're not the best friends, but they say I'm not very good. So, I think I'm okay. I think I'm pretty good at that game. I like it. It's fun. It's just like, I don't know, it's kind of hard. It's a hard game. There's a lot to think about. It's a lot different than any other game. I honestly don't think I'm bad at it. I play mainly the ADC. I'm actually pretty good at ADC. I'd say out of all 5 of us that play and hang out, besides excluding one that we don't play with very much, I'm probably the best ADC. I actually say I am the best. Support, I'm probably the best support too. Top laner, I'm definitely gonna be the best top laner again. I think one of my buddies, I won't say his name, but I can't even give you his initials. He's a pretty cool guy. He's probably the best mid laner, I guess. If If that's what you want to say, he's the best mid laner. Sure. He's the best, and he's probably the best jungler too. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at these guys. Just having a day nap. What? Okay, it's not. Staying together to stay warm. See if I get this bullet behind him. Didn't even wake him. Sleep tight, little one. How's that tree already look dead? Do I need to water it or something? A new tech card I don't know about. How much is it for a port collector? I can save. I can just pick up the horse by hand juice. That is literally communism right there at its finest. If you guys know what communism is, look at the video J Fred made on about it. He went to wizard school. Get out of my face. Oh, I'm full. Who likes fruits? My honey slime do. Oh, say does that early banner yet wave? My problem. This is my problem. What are you doing now? Come on, man. Making sure those guys do not get out, because, you know, those guys like to get... They're evil. They're literally evil. If you guys don't remember what happened, the great... What are we thinking, guys? Last time I thinking about this one on my solo one... I don't know. It's literally such a run to all the other ones. I'll buy this one, though. Dude, it's about I haven't seen it yet. Why does it cost this much? It really costs that much? I wonder about that AirNet. Actually, I probably still would have. I mean, literally, this is tomfoolery. Outrageous pricing. Outrageous! This is outrageous. Can I upgrade these guys' place a little more? I can't. Why not? That is outrageous pricing. We'll save though, I guess. Need to go get me some more crystal slime today, I guess. Guess I'll run over there and get that. Out with the old, in with the new. Where'd that egg just go? Look how mean this guy is. Always got some mean intent. Look at his face. Meat and veggie. Fruit. What? Veggie. Why am I feeding them cube berries? Who even eats fruit? Just these guys are here. You have these chickens, guys. I mean, I don't know what the money situation's looking sad. Send a donation, I guess. I mean, this is hard. I feel like I'm like scraping the bottom of the barrel, collecting all the plorts I can get to even afford anything. It's like I haven't even started working towards the jetpack yet, but I feel like I need a new area so I can make some bat slime action. Let's go ahead and get those crystal slimes right before you go to bed. We're gonna be home a little late tonight. I know. Let me just say something. They're my these fire slimes and the my favorite slime in the game, the water slime, which I don't know where is. I see that it's looks like that one might be it, but like I said, I've not seen him yet. My favorite slime, the water slime, which I have not found yet. They're so nice because they're efficient. You buy it, you know, like especially with the water ones, you buy the pond and you ain't got to ever feed them, and they consistently give you plorts. That sounds like a really good deal to me. I'll just say it. Sounds like a good deal to me. Really good deal. Because, yeah, I mean, I spent quite a bit on it because, you know, I had to buy the plot and then I've spent $750 for that. But, like, now I don't have to worry about it anymore. So in my mind, it's nice. That guy's okay. It's nice to just be able to like sit them there and, you know, then they just like have like, they got 2 other buddies they like enjoy hanging out with. Maybe I'll get them another friend, you know, 4 of them in there just hanging out, you know, enjoying life, napping, you know. They like it. These other guys begging for food. Like, come on, man. Got a weird feeling about this one. About this adventure. Look at all these. Look at all these slimes, dude. And it's about to get goopy up in there. I assume that the water slimes are on the other map, but I don't know. I've barely explored that one, and it's kind of a lot to explore. Maybe they're on this one too. Though we can explore that. We can just do that tonight. I'll just get some late sleep. Actually, we'll do that today. I was exploring before. I really want a jetpack because it makes exploring a lot easier because you can get to places you're not allowed to by foot. But I just don't have the money. Because I'm trying to buy the new place. 16 missed calls. Buddy. Grab one on the way back there. Ah, this is gonna hurt. Get on my way, slime. Like, if I was a lava god, I'd want to sit right in this pond and just gonna chill here all day. Watch travelers pass through. It'd be so cool to be a slime. New biome. I kinda like this one. I've been in it before, just a tiny bit. Oh yeah, these are the chickens the one guy's liked. I just remembered. The, one of the slimes I have. See, but like, how am I realistically supposed to get there? Like, be for real. For just a second with yourself. How am I supposed to get there? Trying to collect chickens so I can feed them to the big guy. That could have been hot. What is this? Oh, an odd onion. Holy moly. Holy moly. Not good. This is not good. Did I get rid of him? Get out of here. I might try to play some games with my buddies, but I don't know if they're gonna want to tonight. They've been playing this game called Bonk Choy, I think Ed called it. Bonk Choy. If you guys know anything about it, let me know. I don't. I mean, they say it's good, you know, I hear it's good, but you know them, they just blabbering sometimes. So you never know. You never know. Could be good, could be bad. You guys know anything about Bonk Choy, I think the name of the game's called? Just let me know. Hopefully we're not running too late on this time. I don't know if you guys like the longer videos or the shorter ones. This is kind of a longer one, I think. Come on. Come on. Oh, man. Man. Alright, we'll bring X some more chickens. Bring some more chickens tomorrow. Just ignore that, guys. I can't ignore it if he comes after me. You blimey Ted. Come here. You guys think I should be British? Let me know. That guy's gonna live, isn't he? No, he's good. Can I get that banana? Ugh! Ugh! Get the carrot out of my mouth. I got to the dunk. I sent him back for the dunk. Nope. I'd say these guys are better than pink slimes. The tar slimes are better than the pink slimes. Dare I say. Really hot. That's not Ice Ice, baby. You guys like that song? So close. I would have brought my chickens from that. See, but like, check out these guys. Look at these guys just enjoying life. Not complaining like these other slimes do, and you get accidentally give them the wrong food because you can't read. Give me some more chickens. Check those guys out. White boy, get hops! Oh my. Come on, let me up! Top. There we go. Oh, sick. A magma pool for my slimes. For my slimes. See if I can find some more chickens, because I don't really want to run back. The question is, like, how many chickens can I find, you know? I guess I've never really explored this area very much, so might lead me to nothing, might lead me to something. Who knows? Look at that guy, he looks sick. See, I was here before and I don't understand it. Kinda like this area though. Maybe it was like an old Coliseum people used to fight at. Be kinda cool. Let my imagination run wild. I kinda think this one's like one of my favorites biomes so far. I don't know, I kinda mess with it. I like those guys. Those guys are sick. The slimes. The spinny one. Holy moly! What are we doing? What are we doing? Get along with that guy! He was killing himself! What? That guy said, I'd rather be dead than be eaten by a measly slime like anybody around here. He's got to be getting there. Man, I just about took the short way back. I'm taking the short way back. You guys probably don't know about this tech, I do though. Let's get some good stamina. This is known as in the community of Slimers as the wraparound. I made that up. Start using it though so people think I'm cool. It's always nice to just spend your days off just chilling, playing Slime Rancher. Oh, I don't know if you guys like my editing or not. I thought it was swagger though, so if I could get a comment on that, I'd like that, honestly. Oh, chicken! I need to collect chicken! Chicken. Oh, no, 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 no! That could have been bad. That would have been a 1 out of 10 on YouTube if that would have landed, dude. Hey guys, if you have any game recommendations, I'll take game recommendations. I won't play Borderlands. It's the best thing in the game. I can think off the top of my head, I will not play. I hate Borderlands. Worst game probably ever created in human history. I had to take a guess. That's just me guessing, though. If you guys have any other answers, I'd like to hear them. I'll probably ignore them, but I might read them. We're not stretching the time on how long this is. Might try to get past the fire slime and wrap it up there. I don't know. Last time we had a random the stop. I don't remember what happened. I feel like ice when I take the chickens away from their little chicklets. Isn't that just miserable? You really want to take that from me? See ya. Why do they think these pink slimes think they have so much authority over me? They don't. They don't. They make me angry. About the only control they have on me. Am I going the right way? Sanctuary's right there. We don't need a nap. I forgot if you even need to sleep in this game. Like, I know you can, but I don't know if you need to. Need a nap IRL. That sunrise. It's kind of blinding. I could barely see. What do these guys eat? Meat and veggie. They have a net? Oh, goodness, they do. Man, they get rowdy. Almost enough for a new place. New crib, who dis? Looks like I'll have plenty after this. What's your guys', if you guys have played this game, or you know you watch me play, hopefully, what's your guys' favorite new slime? New slime action. What is it? I think so far, I like egg slime. You guys haven't seen it in this one, and my other one where my audio's not working. I have egg slime. He's pretty sick. So that's probably my favorite. Who even likes fruit around? My boom slimes, I think. Kaboom. My boom and honey slime like fruit. I like the egg slime. I haven't found one in a long time yet, but second to egg slime? I don't know. It's kind of hard. Angler's not bad. He's pretty cool. Holy moly, guys! You ate all that. You ate all the ash. Are they gonna be okay? Does that mean I have too many here, or what does that mean? Are they gonna die? There's more ash happen. Oh, I hope that's not overpopulation and they just ate all their food. I finally got enough money for a new place. Let's see what it's about. We'll go feed the big slime. The den. Oh, I bet this would be good for my nighttime slime that I still haven't got yet. Oh, it would be. Wow. Yeah, this place is awesome. How many do I get? I get 1, 2. I get 2. And out here. Wow. I get to enjoy this beautiful view. Okay. So we have 1 plot. 2 plot. Wow, I like that. 3 plot, 4 plot, 5 plot? 5 plots or 5 plots, I think. It's not bad. Kind of pricey for how much money I just spent on it, but it's okay. What is this? What? There's another site, but it costs so much. 6 bands. That would be pretty cool, though. I like this one a lot. I think ooh, that's hard. I like the other one I was at more. I don't know. I like this one a lot. Feels like I might get lost in this one. I'm not the brightest, guys. I'm not gonna lie. We need to start putting nets on everything, sadly, because we don't want these slimes eating out. I think these guys will be fine. But I don't know. Eventually, I mean, it's kind of getting bad, honestly. Because these slimes, they just like to just escape. Like, I don't know. I kind of don't like it. You guys remember having last episode? I really hope this isn't a problem, guys. Hope this ash gets refilled. I don't know how to refill it. We'll figure that out in just a second. Grab some stony hens. Take the, actually, we'll leave this for these guys. Trying to kind of get rid of these chickens here. Not gonna lie, got a lot of roosters in here. Take these all the way over to that place. Make sure our cannon's empty because this time we want to actually explore, see if you get anything new, see if there's any new slimes, see how awesome and amazing the artists did on this work, which I hope they still keep doing work. I don't know if you guys have seen anything on Sora 2, but that is very funny in my opinion because I see funny stuff on it, but it's also not funny because it's like, I don't know, I feel bad because like I saw like an animation the other day and it's like that could just take animators' jobs and it's like, well, that sucks, you know? That really sucks if the animators lose their job because, you know, Sora. But as of right now, it seems fine because there's watermarks on it and everything. But I don't know. I don't really mess with that AI stuff. Kind of freaks me out. Super freaky. I don't know. Maybe I like it though because I could put Pink Slime's face on anything and make it do any heinous crime and get them deleted off the earth, put in jail. What they're causing right now. Yeah, this is a lost cause. I ain't coming back. They need jail time, people. Look what they do. Look what they do. They need jail time. Cause all this carnage. All these problems. Not if I was president. Vote me president. 2025. Alright, when is next president election? 2028? We'll be president 2028. If you guys want this pink slime problem to be dealt with, vote me president. That's all I'll say. That's all I'll say. Because I tell you, I would get rid of him quick. There'd be no pink slimes. I'd go to the creators of Slime Rancher. I'd say, hey, Prez here. And they go, oh my goodness, we've never met the president before. And I go, yeah, get rid of pink slimes. I'm not dealing with it anymore. You either get rid of them or you cut the population down a little bit, because we're not doing this, guys. We're not keeping all these pink slimes because it's a problem, guys. There's so many. You know why I like the lava biome? There's no pink slimes, baby. That's why I like the lava biome. There's no pinkers. There's no pinkers. Literally me to call them pinkers, but has to be done. Has to be done. What up, fire slime? A lot of moolah on me. I didn't even know. 3 roosters? A couple regular chicks? Oh boy, only got 16 of these. Oh my goodness. It's gonna blow! Boom! Oh my goodness. Did I just watch a murder happen? He's okay. Man, if it weren't for those... Pink slime! Get out of here! For those pink slimes. Let's see what's this way, guys. What is this? Looks cool. Let's check this out. Maybe there's a hand down here.